Pretty cool, right? Okay, the first is I'm gonna do a very thick one. Just give me some minutes. Okay, so this will be works it. Okay, so and this are gonna do. It's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna do this. So let's open the package and see what's inside. So first, I got the Daiso clay, which is pink. Then I got this sticker, and all is from Daiso. All of them. And here I got it from Daiso, and this little cute jock sticker, and this is for the nail. And I got the nail sticker, one only. This sushi sticker. I bought a lot of sticker, and look. So I'm gonna try using this Pollen soft clay to make some slime, because I have not made a slime using clay yet. Then I got the notebook, and this is, I think this is the last one. I bought this only this. It's very cheap, $2 always. This is always $2. Okay, so this time I'm gonna stick the colors. Like I'm gonna play with this. So yep. So this must be taking a long time in doing this. Okay, so I'm just gonna end watch. So I'm gonna use this. And let's read the instruction. First, they say use this products of the finger nails are dangerous. We start using immediately. Okay, so I'm just gonna like do it now, right now. So I don't know where's the teeth to open. Oh, here. Oh no! Okay, then we need to open it. Wait, what? Only like that? I don't have this. What in the world? Then you need to peel off this one.
Chiều lát bay ra. Ô tô quay. Mi nằm hay là kia này nằm ấy. Nhưng mà tôi quay lại lát rồi chị buổi. Nó qua này.
不要！走。打开。等一下 ，stop！
没事来了。
你出去！我们没有找钱，出去！
我不是说交关都没手机。那先。
出去！
这个是什么？洗的呀。
So it's just this apartment.
谁给你的？咦？
So this will. I don't care my grandma. Just don't care my grandma. My grandma is a little bit crazy. Just don't care. So I need a stick. Any sticker will work. So cut this.
妈咪说了，妈咪说了，妈咪出来了，妈咪出来了，嘿，拿手机来玩嘞。
Stop! 闭嘴，出去。I care my grandmother again. Just don't care my grandmother. Okay, perfect. Fit it perfectly. And next, I'm gonna open anything. I'm gonna put it back. So I'm just gonna open it. Just go. Oh, why? Okay. I think it's being too hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna put this. Wow, so cute. Just like this. Okay, done. Okay, then next, I'm gonna try the Parium clay next time. So this will gonna be work. So. Okay, I'm just gonna tear out this. Completely tear out. Dang it. Okay, so later I'm gonna do something with the Parium clay, the soft clay. So I'm just gonna keep this for a minute. Just give me a minute. And this notebook, I got it from Daiso. And this art sticker, I also got it from Daiso. You can see the sticker part. You can ask the stuff and go to see the Daiso. It's very expensive sometimes. If you buy a lot, it will be very expensive because it's always $2. And also, I bought a cotton wool from now nowhere else. I don't know where, but there's still. Okay, so first you open the soft clay. Okay, open already. Okay. Get any soft clay, whatever soft clay you want, any soft clay. Then you're gonna start mixing with the slime. Start with mixing any slime. I'm just gonna use the clay and mix slow. So you're just gonna use the glue activator and this soft Parium clay. Then you'll get the amount of you